This is the result of our relentless efforts in our fights against illegal drugs. No, that is my marching order to Chief of Police, and this is a big accomplishment. Of course, we confiscated 1 kilo and 0.070 kilogram, more or less, and with the estimated amount of 7,276,000. In relation to my marching order, I have to evaluate the performance of our station commanders. If we don't even follow my instruction or orders and do not exert efforts to conduct a massive operation against illegal drugs, then there might be an immediate relief of this Chief of Police. This is a big loss to them because this is involved a large amount of volume of Cebu. At the same time, amount of money, 7,276,000 pesos, sir. The arrested person is alias Isabel, and she's disposing at least minimum of 1 kilo per transaction. In fact, last March she able to dispose 1 kilo, and last August 5 another 1 kilo, and this is the last time that third time that she distributed, but we able to intercept already and arrested here. The Cebu City Police Office will not stop our campaign against illegal drugs in order to protect the citizens, especially the Cebuano people, and also to maintain the peace and order and the public, protect also the public safety of Cebu City.